The island's become overcrowded, overpopulated. The infrastructure is not caught up with the amount of guests coming in. And now they have new flights coming in from South America. I'm just not sure if it can accommodate all these incoming new tourists coming in. So it's definitely changing.
It's changed a lot.
I believe the number of tourists coming in, the infrastructure is older. It needs to be revamped. There's no way that they're right now able to do that. It's just not possible at this point. They've built too quick. The hotels have built too quick.
Right.
Not the rest of the island.
Right. And then the Aruba people suffer for it, right? They can't buy homes. I mean, driving to work, it takes them a lot longer than it ever took them, right? It's not what it should be.
Stop building.
Yeah.
Stop building. You don't need to bring in additional flights, right? I understand everyone wants to come to Aruba, but as of right now, I think there's too many tourists coming to the island. The island can't handle them.
But the Aruban people, we still love them. This is the only place we go. We go nowhere else. Aruba.
I mean, the culture hasn't changed.
No, the culture hasn't changed.
It's just that everything else has become too Americanized.
It's what we fell in love with. That's why we came.
You walk across the street at night and the main street outside is like Cancun.
Yeah, it's not like the old Aruba.
Music playing to 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Streets are flooded with tourists, which I understand. They're what they're here for. But that's not what we're used to.
Right.
We're not used to that. But we have to adapt because that's the new Aruba as of right now.
Yeah, and we're not going anywhere else. So that's it. This is our love. Nowhere else.